Welcome back, Beardos and Beardettes. We are in Gastonia, North Carolina at Cavendish Brewing. And this place, this is Jerriana's second time, Jeebs' first time. He's behind the camera. It's an old car dealership turned to a brewery, turned to really good beer, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, they've got an event space in the back. They've got, it's not a huge space, but about, 10 to 12 beers on tap. They've got the Resilience IPA, I think, Resilience beer, which is a Sierra Nevada creation, but a lot of different breweries from around, oh yeah, there we go, live recording there. A lot of different breweries around North Carolina and other areas partook in for the California wildfires.
Yep.
Jeebs had some, I had some. It was a great beer. But overall atmosphere, they got games, they got 2 TVs, they got video games. Like, it's a cool spot. Jerriana.
Yeah. Very cool spot. Their beer is different from the last time we were here. They have a little bit of everything on. They have a Berliner Weiss on. They have some stouts, some porters, some IPAs, some lagers, red ales. Everything's really good. The bathrooms are clean. There is a changing table. Small bathrooms, but there is a changing table.
For the women's. Men's, there's 1 urinal, 1 stall. It is very tight. If there's more than 2 people in there, you're kind of doing the old penguin dance.
And you've got some conversations the last 2 times.
Actually, yeah. These today on our Hob, these brewery review shirts have gained us some followers. They've gained us some purchases. I gained a new YouTube subscriber just, but they thought we were Wicked Weed. I said, no, we're not sellouts. We're here for our own brew reviews.
We did. They have food in house here.
Yes.
So and
Sandwiches.
It's like quesadillas, grilled cheeses, everything. We actually ate here last time we were here. Everything's very good. Cooked here. Beer, solid.
We're out on the patio setting here, which is new from last time. Very cool. Obviously, it's a cooler day, so not a lot of people. They got the string lights.
Parking is like maybe 12 parking spots.
It's a throwback, old school,
Well,
car
to be a car
dealership.
dealership,
Yeah,
they
exactly.
weren't many cars on the lot.
Exactly. So I think we've covered it all. But again, if you're in Gastonia, you definitely need to come check it out.
Yeah.
Scoring wise, I'm going to start this time because the other ones, Jeebs started, Jerriana started. Luke's giving me the, I'm starting. Ooh, the pressure's on with the Luke Boy point here. I think I'm at, what do we, hey,
I know.
3.82.
Okay.
That's where I'm at, Jerriana.
I was going to go 3.9.
Okay, Dirty Jeebs.
I'm going one above her, 4.0.
Wow.
I will say one other thing that we didn't mention in any of the other ones, but this one, they have a variety of seating. They have video games with couches, and they have high tops, and they have bar tops, and they have low tops.
Well, also added too, we've got the beer price. I think a pint's only $5.
Yeah.
All pints. So that, again, good prices here in the small towns, which you should expect, and what I like. They're not overpricing their beer, so that's good. All right, we've hit our scores. You brew it, we review it. Go buy a T-shirt.
Comfort tea.
They've got them there. Like, comment, subscribe. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Until next time.